She lived underneath the pyramids in Mexico City. And she was the queen, the guardian of the underworld, and she ruled by having psychedelic visions that sprouted morning glory flowers out of her head. And she ruled the underworld, and everything was great. All the people in the underworld, all the demons, all the devils, everyone. Peace, there's peace in the underworld. And she got a little bored with all this peace, so she came out of the underworld on her psychedelic magic carpet, and she flew and flew and flew until she showed up at a party at my house. She came to a party at my house. Oh my God, the queen of the underworld is at my party. And it was all great, and we were all, grooving on her morning glory hair. And but then, you know what happened? She drank all of the booze, she fucked all of the people, and she made a huge mess, but we loved her so we wrote a song about her called La Araña.